Alright, so I'm probably going to do another video on these tweezers some point in the future because these things are awesome. You guys, if you're doing any sort of little maintenance on anything, any small bits or parts, whatever, these things are awesome. But anyways, here's another tiny tip for you. Oh my, I can't even get those off. Look at that. You see on the end of these tweezers, that junk that just came off? So, okay, we got 2 washers there. All right, get all these little... Is that rusted on? Oh no, it's still connected in the back to the other screw. All right, we're gonna lift under between the scale. I'm gonna try to lift under between the scale and the liner. Anyways, you get the idea.